Let's start. Set the lights separately to illuminate the chroma key and the subject. Before making the lighting setup, take into account the digital background you will use to analyze the intensity and direction of the light. The first step is to select an area in your home or office is comfortable, quiet, and does not have large distractions such as loud noises. And the second step is lighting. For the background, we use LED lights or LED panels and also fluorescent bulbs to light the chroma key, as you can see around. And for the subject, we use a 3-point lighting setup. We place the lights in a shape of a triangle. The first one, the key light, like this one, is the strongest light and is placed to the side of the camera at a 20 to 45 degree angle. The key light lights up the subject from the front. And we have the second light, which is the field light. And this light is with less intensity, which helps to eliminate the shadow created by the main light. This light is placed on the opposite side of the key light. We also have these two soft boxes with fluorescent bulbs, which help us smooth the shadow and create a more even lighting.